Saudi Arabia issues heavy rain alert until Friday, March 28. The Saudi Civil Defense Department has issued a weather alert warning of heavy rainfall across most parts of the kingdom until Friday, March 28, according to a report from the Saudi news agency. The civil defense has urged residents to take precautionary measures, stay in safe locations, and avoid unnecessary travel. The statement advised people to stay away from flood-affected area, valley, and low-lying region. Additionally, swimming in rainwater pools should be avoided. Authorities have urged citizens to follow official channels and social media platforms for the latest update on weather conditions. The forecast predicts moderate to heavy rainfall in the Makkah region with a risk of flash floods. Similar weather conditions are expected in the Baha, Asir, and Jazan region. The Najran region is expected to receive moderate rainfall while light rain is forecasted in the Medina region.